day, students. I'm Mohammed Badmos and I'm your personal teacher on mathematics. Today, I'll be taking you guys on algebraic equations. Algebraic equation is a very fundamental part of mathematics, and algebraic equations are equations that contains variables and constants 1, 2, 3, and on. Then variables are symbols and letters, for example, x and y. I would now list some examples of algebraic equations. So we have 2x plus 3 equals 5, 3x minus 2 equals 7, and then x squared minus 4 equals 0. Now let's take one example, 2x plus 3 equals 5. So we have to subtract 3 from both sides now. So we have 2x equals to 2. Then now we have to divide with the coefficient of x, that is 2. So we have x equals 1. And now we have come to the end of the introduction into algebraic equations. Thank you.
Good afternoon, students. My name is Dr. Joy, and this afternoon we're going to be treating the topic simple equations. Now, under simple equations, we're going to be talking about the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation. Like my partner said in the last class, it defined the meaning of algebraic equations and algebraic expressions. So now, what's the difference between an algebraic expression and an algebraic equation? An algebraic expression is a variable, the combinations of variables. Now, when you mean variables, I mean letters and numbers using your multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. But it does not involve an equality sign, okay? For instance, when we are saying 2x plus 3, when you say 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 is an expression. It's an algebraic expression because it has a variable. But it is not an algebraic equation because it does not have the equality sign. Now, when we're talking about an algebraic equation, we can say 2x plus 3 equals to 5. We're trying to balance two things using the equality sign. 2x plus 3 equals to 5. That's an algebraic equation. Why? Because it has the equality sign. So basically, students, that's the difference between an algebraic equation and an algebraic expression.
Hey students, my name is Esra Ogenefejo. I'm your personal teacher in mathematics, and I'll be teaching you word problems on simple equations. Now, before this class, you know what simple equation is and you know how to solve it. Now, when we talk about word problems, our first job is to express our question in the form of simple equation. So if you are given this example, 2 times a number added to 5 is equal to 7. Find the number. Now, the first thing we should know is to pick a variable that is a letter for our unknown. So let the number be x. Now, we interpret our questions carefully and accurately. Now, they said 2 times a number, meaning our number is x. So 2 times the number added to 5. You know the symbol for addition is what? Plus. Added to 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 7. And 2 times x will give us what? 2x plus 5 equals to 7. Now you see that we have successfully interpreted our word problem. So if you can interpret this, I believe we all know how to solve equations like this by now. How do we do that? By collecting like terms. 7 and 5 are like terms. We know we cannot add 5 and 2x. So if we have 2x is equal to 7, 5 is positive here, coming to the other side becomes what? Negative. And we have 2x is equal to 7 minus 5 will give us 2. And we have 2x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 2. So 2 cancels 2, and our x is equal to what? 1. So I believe that by now we know how to simplify word problems on simple equations.
Everyone, my name is Pasha Tobilova. I'm a personal teacher in mathematics, and today I'll be teaching you equations. My topic today has to do with brackets, so we'll be actually expanding equations like this. So when you see equations like this, you have to expand the brackets very, very well. In this one, you use your outside constants to multiply everything inside, which gives us 2 times f, will give us 2x, plus 2 times 2 will give us 4, is equal to 8. Now when you get to this point, you have to collect like terms in which this goes to the other side to give us 2x is equal to 8 minus 4. When your constant is crossing over, the sign will change. So 2x will be equal to 4. And for x to stand alone, you have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. In this case, is 2. X is equal to 2. Now, another example, we have examples like this, in which it is more complex. Now, in this case, you will expand the brackets also by multiplying everything that is inside with the one that is outside. So here we have 2x plus 8 plus 12 plus 4x is equal to 20. In this case, you have to add the like terms. 2x plus 4x plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 20. Yes, 6x plus 20 is equal to 20. This gets to the other side to be 6x is equal to 20 minus 20, and 6x is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 6, x is equal to 0. Thank you.
Good day, students. My name is Algebraic. I'm a personal teacher of mathematics, and today we are going to be treating simple equations. Under simple equation, we are going to be treating word problems on simple equations. Now, we have, for example, like this is a word problem. We are going to be forming a simple equation from this problem. Now, the question says twice a number was added to 4, and the result is 6. Find the number. They said twice a number. We don't know that number, so let the number be x. Let the number be x. And they said twice a number, twice the number, that's 2 times of x. That is 2x was added to 4 plus 4. And the result is 6, that is equals to 6. So this is the simple equation. We have formed the simple equation. Now let's solve it. In solving the simple equation, we are going to collect like terms. Now this value here have x, this one does not have x, does not have x. That means these two are like terms. So we collect like terms. We collected like terms. The one with x is still on its own, and the ones without x we move together. So 6, this plus 4 is going to come over to this place. Plus 4 crossing and equals to sign is going to change to minus 4. So 2x is going to be 6 minus 4 is 2. Now we're looking for the value of x. For us to get the value of x, we have to remove the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x here is 2. So we're dividing both sides by 2. So 2x is equals to 2 over 2. This 2 is going to cancel this 2. X is equals to 2 divided by 2 is 1. That means the number is 1. I believe by now you are able to define algebraic expression. You know the difference between an algebraic expression and algebraic equation. You can solve questions on simple equation, and you can also solve questions of simple equation involving brackets and also word problems on simple equations. Thank you.